God damn it. Why is no printing temperature? Why is there no printing temperature? Oh, it's something that's on the spool. 220 to 230. Okay. Oh my god. Nick! Ugh. You didn't. You didn't help with the carrot cake? I greeted the carrots. I did. All right. Have a good night. Have a good night, subsector. Stay fine. We can make 2 I don't know. I'm gonna wake up the whole neighborhood. Apparently. Hopefully, someone clipped that. I hope someone clipped that. That was some wild stuff. That's a carrot cake for quality control. It's good. It's good. It's so much better than my carrot cakes or my cakes in general or anything I ever make. So let's print this real quick. Let's see. Do I have something sliced? Decode files. What is material scientist PLA? That's not gonna be helpful. That's okay. We'll reslice it. We have the technology. We want to slice for regular. Oh, Rook MK1. Sure. Bring the cake to Rocky Mountain. Time for drawing. Oh, it is. All right, you have 2 minutes to enter for the Polymaker drawing. You can win yourself some Polymaker filament. Ooh, quesadillas. I like quesadillas. What happened? Oh, that's a nasty noise. The arm is looking a little bit hairy on the scientist on the Soval. I don't like when it makes noises when it prints. I never like that. Let's see. This looks structurally sound enough. Good enough. Send it. Ah, out of build plate. Help.
A few moments later.
Okay. Well, that was quite the diversion, but we'll try drawing this. But it's printing so good. Oh my god, I can't wait to dial it in and use it as for some wild prints. We'll print the torture toaster in support filament. Oh man, should I print a PA12? Is that their most expensive filament? It might be. Let's see. Is this their most expensive filament per kilogram? $160 a kilogram? Should I print a torture toaster in one of those? And then give it to the print a solid booth, of course, for some free filament. This is full of filament. Uh, no, okay. I think we're back onto this. Nope, we do a filming giveaway. Giveaway. Alright. Let's load up a giveaway. It is time. Three ads. Oh my god. Ads should be over though, right? Hopefully. I don't have S2. I don't have it. In fact, S2 is like not a thing. I don't know what's going on with S2. It's not a thing. It's for PA12, right? Oh no, it's for PC, ABS, and ASA. Huh. All right. Hmm. Most expensive. Gotcha. Well, that's also a reseller, and they don't have any of that in stock right now. So I don't know. Yikes. Yikes. How much is the regular dissolvable support filament? Yeah, it's not too bad. That's $60 for a 0.75. It's not bad at all. A bottle or stickers? Which what? Where? Oh, it's a sticker. Oh yeah. Welcome in, Ashnak. Hey Ash. How's it going? Can't do that no more. You gotta lock your computer. Imagine lurking on my channel. I think this is it. Alright. Well, go give is that the right person? Yes. Go give Subsector a follow. That's Ash's mom who hacked Ash. Why are so many people watching this thing? This is like one of the worst streams I've done in a long time. Why are so many people watching this? I don't get it. Who sent you here? Why are you here? Why? How dare you? This is Polymaker's new metallic magenta. If you're interested. You've been cleaning. Wow, you're cleaning up the place and she's hacking your account.
I got a bad feeling.
Gonna make something you can only print your Solval. It's electrical blocks. Just need to change some parameters. Only print my Solval. Wait, what? I have 300 millimeter printers. I have 3. I got the Z-Hop. What the heck? I enabled Z-Hop on my printer. Blech. You're here for the Rook. Oh, everyone likes the Rook. That's what it is. Gotcha. There you go. There's the Rook. Oh, and hey, Ash, look at this. Look. Look at the printer. Look down here. Huh? Huh? It's subtle, but it's there.
Whoa.
Oh, do I need the Z height? Wait, what? Electrical box? Electrical box? Oh, you're talking for this. I'm guessing. Is the Rook printing? No. No, it is not. Somebody forgot to hit the load filament macro button. The logo. The logo at the bottom. The giant logo that you can kind of miss. Oh. What the frick? Oh, what did I click? Oh my god, what am I doing? You even mentioned to see the magic. I know. I got distracted. I don't know what happened. Okay, stuff happened, and it, it just happens. Okay, okay. Calm down. What if I can use the sensorless? No, that would require. Oh, that's making terrible noises.
Bruh.
Oh, that's some of the worst noises I've ever heard in extruders going. That's about the thickest extrusion I've ever seen. Wow. This is just what this is what came out. That is thick. I don't even know what speed is that. It's like trying to push 50 millimeters cubed. Wow, what size is that? That's impressive. I know I said no distractions, but this is important here. This is 1.8 millimeters. What? 2 millimeters out of the nozzle. Wow, the CHC must be really working hard then. I want to do a speed test. Oh my god. What was I doing? Okay, I want to reslice this. I'm turning off. Oh, I don't have exclude object on. Is it in the printer? I might not have exclude object on. Exclude, exclude, exclude object. Like that. Perfect. Error. Don't you give me an error. Don't you give me an error now. You missed the giveaway. Oh, shoot. DC, you won the giveaway. Are you still here? How could there be 60 of you in chat and every single one of you forgot the giveaway? I'm not gonna do giveaways anymore. We're not doing giveaways anymore. DC, message me over on. Actually, this is rigged, so let's do another one. Do another one. That one's rigged. All right, here's the real one. That was the test. So here's the real giveaway. You joined just in time for the real giveaway. Yes, yes, you did. Just in time. We'll draw this one at the end of the stream, whatever the heck that is. Okay. Can we have something not go wrong for a bit? Okay, the blue scientist looks like it's printing. That's good. The other blue scientist looks like it's printing. The purple scientist looks like it's printing. And this one is printing. My Z offset's gonna be very bad. Let's fix that real quick. I think every time it loses power, it drops, it hits the power switch, and the power switch moves down a little bit. Or the homing switch. Oh my god, it moves a lot this time. Ugh. Yikes. Too much. Too much? What's going on here? You tried to give away, but it sent me through a rabbit hole? Wait, what? What now? More squish? Yeah, I'm also gonna need a modified switch that hard locks into the extrusion and doesn't have the option of sliding up and down. You do bang ticket. Yeah, do bang ticket. They'll enter you. Yeah, it's not quite leveled. We'll send it. We'll see if it works. Okay, everything's printing. Let's stop procrastinating into the main content for today, which is Onshape. This stream is not brought to you by Onshape. That'd be awesome. Let's make a sketch on the top layer. Okay. So how do we want our garage size? You guys voted two. Sublime, obviously. The. And yes, DC, you did win. You cannot claim draft PLA. Just message me. Jeez. So what size do we want this thing? This is the Swatch Truck Garage. It's gonna be modular. I'm not gonna make it interlocking right now. I'm just gonna make it stackable. So it's gonna consist of a base, a middle section, and then a top-ish. So why don't I just draft something? I'll just start somewhere. Oh, I didn't even start right. That's a good start. Not even collecting the origin. Oh my god. All right, so this is gonna be. You guys wanted 200 millimeters. I'd like to see it printable on a cruise ship bed. But we can do 200. And then how deep do we need to go? I don't know yet. Let's start with 100. It's not going to be nearly that much. Okay. So that's the base. We're going to work pretty simplistic and with a lot of moves. We're going to extrude this. Oh, let's say about... I don't know. How thick should the base be? 2 millimeters, maybe? We'll start with that. And we'll see how we like it. So 2 millimeter base. And this is going to be a very rough sketch. So I'm going to do a sketch on here. And I'm going to draw my my main sides. So we're going to start here and go to here. Let's do 5 millimeters right there. Let's do another one on here. I'm not going to bother rotating it. 5. And then from here to here, we'll do this one 5. All right, so there is the main section. Let's extrude that. How high does it need to be? Let's see. The Swatch truck is, I think it's 35 millimeters. Let's measure. 2 3 can be correct. Interesting. I wonder which ones. Swatch truck is 30. Okay, it's 30. So let's make this what? 35? We'll start at 35 and go from there. Oh, that's big. That's a big rush. All right, good enough. And then, wow, that's actually not very tall at all. That should be taller. You should make a roll up. Oh my god. That would be pretty cool. That'd be very cool. Very intense. I'll have 3D printing make something or remix one of his things. Because I ain't making that. Actually, this needs to be taller. Yeah, we'll have to do this and then work our way down. Let's go back to this main extrude. Let's just start with how far do we want the base of the Swatch truck to stick in? We want it to be roughly 5 millimeters. Yeah. So it needs to be at least 5 plus some. So let's say 5 plus 1. That's 6. Okay. And how deep is it? It should be 50. Yeah. Wow. Right on the money. 50, like exactly. Ooh, that's printing really nice. Is that a silk? Pearl white. Wow, that's cool looking. Will this be Gridfinity compatible? Oh, don't you go there. Don't you go there. No, I'm not making Gridfinity compatible. That's a lot of work. That means I'd have to make it increments of 42. You want to make it increments of 42 for future compatibility? Feature creep. I know, feature creep. God, man, I can make this fully Gridfinity compatible very easily, actually. Gridfinity 2.0 compatible? It could be. It could be. A low poly couch. Oh man, killing me. Oh, I want to make it Gridfinity compatible now. Okay, let's tentatively go back to this main sketch and do 42 times 4. Okay, let's do that. And then have this be, oh, I can have it be 42, be one wide. Oh my god. Okay. Now we're on to something. Yeah, and we take all this. We go Control C and then Control V. Compatibility with original and, oh my god. I totally could, couldn't I? Man, I almost want to. I'm like this close to actually doing it and taking this with me because we're gonna show this to Zach, right? Because Swatch Truck is the next big thing. Copy it, make a double check couch. It's not a couch. It's a lifestyle, man. Where the heck is my extraction grid? Extraction, where are you? Seriously? I had a grid. What color? What color printed it in? Color, what color? It's around here somewhere. I was definitely using it to stack stuff on. Here's a woodpecker. You guys like my woodpecker? Hey, Royal Nomi, how's it going? Searching for life and the meanings right now. Here. Organization is priority number like -1 at this point. It should be well above where it is. Hey, there's my tools. Another ad? Oh no. Oh no. Can someone give this guy a sub? You stop getting ads. Ads are so annoying. Where is my abstraction grid? Huh. Hey, thank you for the follow. I appreciate that. Huh. Must be in the bin of lost dreams. Like nowhere to be found. What happened? Hey, thank you, Bob, for gifting a sub to XD Gaming. Thank you so much. What does it look like? Damn it. Damn it. Oh, did you guys see this? Oh my god. What is with 3D Print Bunny making such cool stringing art? Like, what the heck? This is what I should use the support filament for. Making freaking stringing art. Alright, let's go to things. Let's go to Gridfinity? Maybe? So how do I make it Gridfinity compatible? Where is the... Open hex traction. Hex traction. There we go. So... how do those connect together? So they go on a grid. How do you make that compatible with Gridfinity? So the idea, okay, if you're wondering my crazy idea, because I know you are, it's to take... what kind of picture is that? Is to take the garage and then have it be like a hub for marbles. So they come in and like leave. It could be like an end piece. Maybe that's stupid though. Let's just keep it regular Gridfinity compatible for now. To actually be useful. I think that'd be very useful. Gridfinity looks fun. It does. It does. It is. It's gonna be good. Actually, I need some balls. What do I need for ball bearings? 10 millimeter? Shoot. I need to get some balls. Alright. I'm gonna order some balls while you guys watch my prints go. Let me know if any of them fail. Let's see. 10 millimeter balls. Perfect. 80 of them sold. By now. Beer Tuesday. Give me the balls. Give me them. 80 of them. Perfect. So now we can get some balls. Print out some extraction stuff. That'll be fun. I have no idea where my grid went. I think it warped a little bit, so I'll just reprint it anyway. That's okay. Alright, that scientist is almost done. Sweet. Oh, what's next? What's this thing? Fourth axis CNC? Oh, okay. It's like, what? What you clip? You should add an air compressed gun on your racer. Now shoot. Oh my god. Have like a cannon. It was interesting. You just got a restock notice in the LW Neptune 3 Plus with a shipping date of May 4. Neat. Repurchase running time for 4. I know. This one has a clog, and I don't feel like working on it. I'll be honest. I can take apart the whole tool head, and it's a pain to take apart the whole tool head on that. So let's design stuff unnecessarily. So how do I make something Gridfinity compatible? What do I have to do? Let's just make it regular, and then we'll reverse engineer it to make it compatible. What do you mean? What are you guys clipping? So weird. So I believe gridfinity is in increments of 42? Yeah? I think. So it makes sense to develop one of these first, wouldn't it? I think it would. Just 42. Yeah. So we'll start with a single gridfinity cube. Okay? And then we need to get the base design. What does it look like? Do I have any gridfinity things around me? I don't really use it for much. I had in the past, but I kept dumping stuff over because I'm clumsy. Look on the website. So this is what it's supposed to look like. Like that. That's the profile we're aiming for. So I think the total width of this is 42 millimeters. Let's just, I don't want to download one. No, just the one. Just the one. Just the one. No! Not the whole thing. I just want this. Download. Download? Download. How do I just download one? I don't want every single one of them. Can I not? Oh, thanks. Thanks. Okay. I'll survive. For those just joining in, we're going to do the giveaway at the end of the stream, whenever that is, so... Probably 41.5. Yeah, let's see what it actually is. And that makes more sense, right? So let's take a slicer. Move this guy right here. Oh, I guess that on. Whoop. There we go. This is 41.5 by 41.5. Neat. So I'm thinking that a swatch truck would fit perfectly inside of that. We're gonna make no. It's 50. It's way too big. So I need to make it too deep. How does that work? What was I thinking? We could put it sideways. We're trying for some reason we're trying to make a gridfinity compatible swatch truck. Why was I think there? Oh, that's the height. Oh, that's the height. Okay. So swatch truck is actually 50. I was thinking incorrectly. Yeah, because that's way too small. So I probably need to do 1x2. I don't know. Let's make this 42 by 2. And then we're going to shrink the whole thing by shrink. Shrinkage. Here's one. Offset each of these inward by 0.5. 0.5. I think that makes sense. And then actually I need to make these construction lines. Okay. Cool. Discord. All right, let's see. Oh, you have a thing? Yeah, that might be useful. I don't know if I can easily do... I had trouble with STLs last time. So let's see if that'll work. Yeah, that's the main base plate, eh? That's thick. This is so thick. Does it really need to be that thick? That's so much filament. But yeah, that makes sense, eh? Why are they rounded? Are they rounded in real life? All right. Yeah, we can start off with this. So we'll have to hold on. No, there must be. I think he has the. Do you have that in a step file at all? What is that? Is that the thing you made? Because that'd be useful if I can just get the whole thing in a step file instead. So I don't have to deal with the low poly BS. But let's see. Let's take this and we can do a sketch on the top. No, we can't because it's a. How do we do this? How the heck do you do this? How do you make a sketch plane in midair? Let's see. We need to do plane, and I think it select here and here and here. Now that makes a sketch plane here, and I can do a sketch on that plane. Hopefully, it doesn't mess everything up because STLs are wonky working in CAD. Okay, hypothetically, we can draw on top of this now. So we can't snap to it though. Oh, that's rough. And we're not gonna be able to snap. We'll have to essentially redraw the entire top section. Eating ice cream celebration or ads, nice. Hmm. Mm, mm, Hmm. Can I do extrude and then remove? Let's say 0.1. Let's do 1 millimeter. Let's see if we can remove. Maybe not 1 millimeter, maybe like 0.5 millimeters. Let's try this. Let's remove 0.5 millimeters. So we're like slicing our way clean. There we go. That's how you do it. Got it. I remember my teaching trainings. So now we have a nice clean surface to work off of. Okay, so we're now point. So we have to now extrude this whole thing up by 0.5 millimeters. Get wires in my keyboard. Ugh. All right, there we go. Add. There we go. 0.5. Sweet. Now we have a nice clean base to work off of. So just like before, well, first let's do a sketch here, and I'll show you the issue. So the issue is that we need 50 millimeters, which is that much. So I can do them at an angle, like this, but I'm only going to be able to fit so many on. So either I do put them at an angle like this, or have it too deep in this direction, about 50, which is just a little bit over, and it leaves a lot of spare room. So I'm not quite sure what the best solution is here. Stagger them. You have larger ones? Yeah, just send me yeah, send me them. Because this is very useful. Like, this will be great. I've never developed Gridfinity stuff before. Never really used it. This is the magnet one, too. Yeah, necessarily weird one to print. But this one, I can fit quite a few. They're just, like, at an angle. So which one makes the most sense space-wise? Or what do you guys want to see? Either way, we're wasting a lot of space. That is a YouTube subscriber. Thank you. If you want to subscribe to my YouTube channel, do bang YouTube. Oh, finished. We have a finish. Oh, I moved the plate. Oh, that's a nightmare. Okay, gotta reinsert this very gently. Don't want to disturb any of my paper that I meshed on very carefully. What's next? How'd that come out? Yeah, not bad. Acceptable. Send it. Thank you, Sovel, for making a Polymaker Scientist. I did a thing. Design the top and print a prototype before using extra filament for the base. I have draft PLA for this. Specifically filament for prototyping, and I can use any of my other filament for prototyping. Cool. Magenta. Done! Are there any other normal filaments that I can print? I don't know. I'll just do some polysmooth, I guess. Yellow available? Or pink? Where did I put it? Where's the pink yet? When it drops. Mr. Filament Swivels? Oh, the silks. Yeah, the silks, of course. Let's do the silks. Silk. Oh boy. Need Peridot green. I got that right here. Cool. Now let's extrude. This flexing his collection. I mean, it is all for prototyping. That's all I can use it for. But I might as well use it for prototyping. What, you don't prototype in carbon fiber nylon? You don't just print CF nylon because it looks cool? Huh. I don't know what to say. Collection. Get the whole company line. I don't. I barely have maybe maybe half the collection, and I have way too much filament. I cannot imagine what Medic's going through right now. That has a lot of filament. Like, oof. Yeah. Yeah, I don't collect filament. I use filament. That's the issue. I only get the filament that I'm gonna use. But recently I have been getting new colors to make sure they're actually the right color that they say they're gonna be. Purge that and reprint. Almost half ton. Yeah. Good thing I'm on my... I will say the filament rack is very heavy. You guys are using your filament? Hey, Stephen Poole, thank you for subscribing. 4 months. I appreciate you. I try to. I truly try to. But I don't want to just print random stuff. I want it to be somewhat practical and somewhat useful. I like printing random stuff. Like, I printed this. This isn't even Polymaker. This is my tricolor extrusion. Because I want to see how it would look in tricolor. And it looks freaking incredible. Use Clipper for most of your printers? Yes, all my clippers. All my printers run Clipper because there is nothing else that's as easy for me to interface with. Marlin, No. Not even with Octoprint. Rep firmware, I haven't tried. Duet, the boards are way too expensive. Clipper just runs on everything, and I know it. So look at all my Clipperized printers running. I send that over to you, you'll display it. Yeah, that's TH3D. It's one of their tricolor filaments. He loved Rep firmware. That crazy model was specifically designed to collect dust. I mean, yeah. Like, what's the point of printing this? It's a really cool desk piece, though. It's a cool fidget toy. You just, like, spin it and spin it and spin it and spin it. That was printed in 4 hours on the Sobel. 4 hours. A little over 4 hours. Everything's still going good. Check in on Mr. ASA. Looks pretty good. Still going. That's still going. There we go. There they are. Let's go back into here and go import. Let's try a 2x3. Let's do a 2x3. I think that makes some sense to work with. I could also do a 3x3. That would work. You guys want to do a 3x3? Hold on. 3x3. 3x3. 3x3 or 3x2? 2x3. Let's 2x3 or 3x2. Let's try. We'll start 2x3. Let's see what that goes. Good night, Mad Cat. Have a great night. Talk to you tomorrow. That print would hurt if you stepped on it. It hurts to hold. Beyblade's the ultimate fidget toy. Garages aren't square, that's true. Are you for sure doing polished, polysmooth, and unpolished? Yes. Yep. So I have a couple that are printed, and then I have a couple of others that need to be printed still. Pogs? What the heck's a pog again? I don't remember what a pog is. Didn't want to waste labels. Oh yeah, I'm definitely going to. Hey, you can use the emojis! Yay! They're a lot of fun. You can do the Swatch Truck emoji, which is the thing we're trying to do a thing for, which got unnecessarily complicated. Thank you. But does actually match exactly the base plate shape that I want. So let's just do it. So here is our new Gridfinity. So here is some hacks. In order to take this shape right here and convert it into a workable object, we're going to create a plane. So we're going to start by hitting plane, and we can hit any of these points right here. We're going to take this big middle section, the triangle, select 3 points, and now that is a plane. Then we can take a sketch, select the plane we just created, hit P to hide the planes, and do an extrusion on the plane. Sorry, we have to do a no, sorry. We'll have to draw like a rectangle like this, and then do an extrusion on that rectangle. We want to do our move, face it down, and let's do it by 0.5 millimeters. Just enough to eliminate. In fact, we can just do it 0.1 millimeter, and then remove it. And that's going to create a nice, flat, clickable, usable surface. It's kind of like slicing into a fresh loaf of something. Why is your corner of a million polygons? Because this is an STL. It's an STL. But then to make it the original height, we want to do a extrude, go back on this thing, and then bring it back up by 0.1. There we go. Now it's at its original height. That's nasty. At least this won't crash on me, and I'll lose all my files. Is this free? This is a free to use software if you don't use it for commercial use. So pretend that I'm not using it for commercial use in this instant. Does Peak even need cooling? I have no idea. I really don't. If anything, you can install curtain fans. Do the curtain fan mod. You have a Trident, right? Yeah, do a curtain fan mod. This guy going. String a little bit, but it's not the end of the world. I can clean that up. Also knows, don't profit without paying us. I know, I want to pay them, but I don't want to pay them what they're asking. That'd bankrupt me. Alright, so what's next? We're actually going to orient it this way. But in terms of looking at it, well, I guess it's actually loaded in this way. Alright, sure. So we have Swatch trucks. So we're going to... actually, how high is a... what's the tiers? Is this the base plate where you build off of? Because I want to make them the same height and stackable as the others. So... just don't sell your models for profit. No. This is all free. On shapes like it is. It's weird. So for now, we're using it for educational purposes only. Yep. So this is a typical size, I think. I'm pretty sure this is a single height container. Pretty sure. So it's 24.5479 millimeters tall. What? 24.54? How tall is this currently? I have no idea. I have no idea how tall it is. How tall do I make it? Well, let's just make it as tall as we need it for now, and then we can adjust it in the future. So, Swatch truck. I wish I could drag stuff around. Calipers. Well, that doesn't help me because I can't measure this because it's an STL. Ugh. I think I want to have them... let's just do a rough sketch on here and kind of see what we're working with. So let's put one here. Let's call this 50 by 4 point... base to print the bed should be the same. Yes, I don't know what the base is. I don't know how high it is. 4 millimeters thick. So let's say 4.2. 4.2-ish. So it allows me to do that, and then do one more behind it. Like this. It's a little more than 50. Let's just say 50.2. And then use Prusa Slicer. Export it. Oh, I guess I could. Go back in here. Just take this and... Nope, that's the wrong one. You guys, your logic. Logic and reasoning. Alright, this guy right here is 6.2 millimeters tall. 6.2. And we need it to be 24.5479. Why is that such a weird number? Why? Why is it such a weird number? It's got to be some science and reasoning, please. But some quick maths will let us know that 24.5479 minus 6.2. You should model a Taco Bell taco shell and fill it with spaghetti. That's actually not a bad idea. All right, so this needs to be 18.3479 tall. So I think this will work out quite fine, actually. It's like the perfect size. So let's kill this sketch, or undo it, and then work on the perimeters. So I'm going to do a very simple move called offset. I'm going to select the outside, and we're going to offset it inward by... Oh, that don't work. Does that not work? Oh. Should. Does that not work? The face? We don't want the face. We want the edge. Oh, well, okay. Never mind. It hates me. Uh... How do? How do I do? Can I really not? Oh man, I need one of my experts. Oh, Nathan, you're here. How do I do this? So wait, was it not in a sketch? Offset or offset specifically this line right here. Yeah, it doesn't work. Hmm. Hmm. Why does that not work? Help.
Whoa.
Whoa, I know. Whoa, why? I don't have to trace the whole entire perimeter. Do I have to do that? Is that gonna be a thing? I got a solid object here. It's at least a solid face. It doesn't work. So it only selects the face. Like I'm selecting specifically, it'll only let me select the face. There's no outside line. And then it says face. Well, hold on. Why is that? Am I going crazy?
Bruh.
Okay, I did select the outside. It says offset cannot be created at this distance. Offset failed. One spline generated multiple offset curves. Interesting. One spline generated multiple offset curves. Is it because of the... Is it because of, like, this junk right here? Yeah, I'm dragging it. One spline generated multiple offset curves. I'm guessing it's something to do with this geometry here. How it's kind of weird. Oh, a smaller offset? It's not letting me do anything. Like, I want to be able to do it about, like, 1 millimeter. But I can't even edit this. Let's see. Yeah, this doesn't. That's unfortunate. I'll have to just redraft the The perimeter here. I don't even know how to do that effectively. Yeah, it just doesn't like it. It's not clean enough. Hmm. 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 Adding more loop cuts. What? What now? Rectangle, make round edges. Yeah, that's fair. So let's do this then. We will select halfway down this line. Does it not snap halfway? Does it not snap?
Whoa.
Okay. Uh, okay, I'm gonna make a rectangle. Does it snap? No, it doesn't. Oh god. I hate working with STLs. I want my step file.